Today I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do to really revive my curls when they're super stretched out and I feel like they've been weighed down and they're just not looking as bouncy and luscious as they normally would. These are the steps that I take to really make my hair look even curlier. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified. And let's go ahead and transform this crazy, dirty, frizzy, stretched out hair. Step number one, when I really feel like I need to revive my hair, is clarifying. I always go in with a clarifying shampoo. It gets rid of any buildup that could be weighing your hair down. This is my particular favorite. It's the Malibu Undo Goo. It is a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo and it's incredible. Also, just want to let you know that you're going to see a transformation in the hair color as well because I was wearing the Curlsmith hair makeup gel. So I'm back to blonde now after one wash, but now my hair is nice and clarified. And the second step is going in with the Olaplex No. 3 treatment. This is a bonding treatment that repairs and strengthens all hair types. While this product is amazing for all hair types, it is really incredible for those that have bleached or chemically processed their hair, which is why I love going in with this. Obviously, chemically processing your hair definitely will affect your curls and stretch the curls out. And this bonding treatment helps to repair the bonds that have been broken in the hair, and it just brings the bounce back to my curls. I have a full video on my channel that I'll link in the description box of exactly how I use this, but I'm going to quickly take you through. I basically section off my hair, and I like to do this on clean hair, but you can also do it on dirty hair. And I go through section by section, adding some of that No. 3 treatment and brushing it through to make sure that every strand of my hair is coated. And then I typically leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can use a heat cap. You can also do curl training with this product in your hair. Hi Felicia on Instagram talks about this a lot, and sometimes I do that, but most of the time I'm too lazy to go through and do the whole twisting of the hair and all of that. I just add it and then put it in a low bun and I'm good to go. And this was so satisfying. Seeing every strand coated with this product, I don't know, just made me feel some kind of way. But again, I just put it in a low bun and then I put a plastic cap on it. Again, you can also put a heat cap and let that product penetrate even further into the hair shaft. But I'm doing the quick, easy version. I'm just popping on a plastic cap and putting it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. And it never, ever fails. Every time I use the Olaplex No. 3 treatment, my hair always comes out curlier. It just brings the bounce back. So now we've left it on for about 20 to 30 minutes and it's time to actually wash this treatment out of the hair. I'm using my Innersense products and these are the big daddies. I'm going in with the Hydrating Cream Hair Bath as well as the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. These products are very protein rich, which is why I wanted to use them, especially when I'm trying to revive my curls. Bleached hair needs lots of protein because it is basically stripped of the protein in the bleaching process. So I'm going ahead and using those to wash and condition the hair after I use the Olaplex treatment. Now going in with the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Love this product. This is a leave-in product. It's got argan oil, sunflower seed oil, so many great ingredients in this, and it just helps to detangle the hair, even though my hair is already feeling fantastic after the bonding treatment and the Innersense conditioner. That conditioner is a very thick, creamy conditioner. It's so, so good. And then I always go in with my Be Hairful brush and brush all of my products through to make sure that everything is distributed throughout my hair. Now it's time to go in with our styling product. And when I want my hair to be a tighter curl, just a tighter curl pattern, I like to go in with a Stronghold gel, but I don't want to sacrifice volume. So I'm going in first with the Innersense I Create Lift Volumizing Foam. This is a very light foam with about a medium hold. It glides through the hair very easily, and I'm adding this first because the way you should add your products is go from your lightest product to your heaviest product. This product is also rich in protein. For my bleached hair, it works amazing because again, I need that extra protein. But if you're protein sensitive, you can still use these products. I just wouldn't use all of them at one time just because they do all have a lot of protein in them. And then moving on to the next step, which is the gel product. This is the magic styling product of the routine because this is going to give you that tighter curl pattern. When I'm going in with a gel and I want a tighter curl pattern, you need that extra hold, and this product gives it to me. This is the I Create Hold styling gel from Innersense. I am an affiliate with them, so if you're interested in any of these products, I'll leave my link in the description box. But these products are so organic. They're probably the cleanest products on the market. So good. I'm obsessed with this product line and have been for years. But now I'm going through section by section and I'm adding a good amount of gel because, again, I want to make sure that every single strand is coated and making sure that I've got plenty of hold in my hair. And I did just do a full video on how I apply my products. I go through step by step and show you exactly how I do it using the Be Hairful brush. And I'm also an affiliate with them and I have a 10% off discount code. I'll leave that in the description box, but I am obsessed with this brush. It's basically the only brush that I have been using for many months now, and I just love it. It helps to clump the curls, but it also helps to detangle the hair. You can also use it for blowouts. It's just amazing. But I'm going through section by section, and this is the next step on how to get your hair curlier, is using a defining brush of some sort. This is just the one that I go to because I love it, and just going through tiny sections by tiny sections and pulling that product through, and it helps to really clump the curls, define the curls, and it just gives so much more definition to the hair. And whenever I take the time to do this, my hair always ends up curlier every single time. While I fast forward through the rest of this because it's the same steps over and over again, I do want to mention another way to make your hair curlier is to finger coil your hair. I also have a video specifically on this. I haven't done that in a while to my hair, and I wish I would have done it in this video to show you exactly what the results can be, but you can definitely create a tighter curl pattern by finger coiling. I find that I don't get as much volume when I finger coil, but you definitely get tighter curls and really extreme definition. But anyway, going ahead and finishing up here, when I do the front of my hair, I like to pull up and away from the scalp. That way I get as much volume at the top of my hair as I possibly can. But now my hair is all coated. You can already see the curls are really coming to life after using that defining brush. That step really does make a huge difference in the definition of my curls. Now going in with my hair repair towel, I always like to scrunch because that helps encourage the curl and make it curlier. And then I like to plop. I've been plopping my hair for years and I am obsessed with the results that I get from plopping. I always get a tighter curl and a lot more volume when I plop. I also have a full video on exactly how I plop my hair. You can actually sleep in your plop overnight, but I usually leave it on for about 20 minutes to get the curls to start to dry, and then I go in with one last little scrunch before my last tip, diffusing. Diffusing my hair will always give me tighter curls no matter what. If I try to air dry my hair, my curls always stretch out. And of course, here is my results after all of those steps, after diffusing. Diffusing also gives me the best volume, which is why I choose to diffuse every single wash day. You can see the results for yourself. My curls went from stretched out and just dull to looking nice and bouncy. I've got those ringlets again, a little bit of shrinkage because the curl pattern is a little tighter, and I just love the results. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks to getting your curls revived and a little tighter. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.